See the portion which is highlighted, profit on sale of plant at Germany. It is sixth case. It has got nothing to do with India. The portion that I have highlighted, I'm talking about that. It has got nothing to do with India. The control is not from India. The profession is not set up. The plant is not set up in India. No, it has got nothing to do with India means sixth case. Sixth case means the amount will be taxable in only one case, resident and ordinarily resident. So this is fifth point that I was explaining. Profit on sale of plant at Germany. So if I look at this statement tells me about sixth case because it has got nothing to do with India. Okay, so the amount will be allocated only to resident and ordinary resident, taxable only in this case. But there is another sentence which is associated with this particular statement. There is another part of the sentence which says 50% of the profits are received in India. So that particular amount of 40,000, I mean 50% of 40,000 is 20,000. 50% of 40,000 is 20,000. So 20,000 is received in India. So tell me about 20,000. Now tell me about 20,000. Which case is this? Tell me about this highlighted part. 50% of profits are received in India. Which case is this?
First.
First. Received in India. Clear cut लिखा हुआ है. Received in India. Clear cut. So the highlighted part is first case. Okay. That means according to the first case, the 50% of the amount will be allocated to all the three cases. Okay. Is that very clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, another 50% for which nothing has been disclosed, it is already understood that that amount of 50% which is not disclosed must have been received in Germany only. Another 50% for which nothing has been disclosed, it must have been received in Germany only, no? Because profit is in Germany. Profit accrues from Germany. It must have been received in Germany. Okay, so nothing has to nothing it has got to do with India. Therefore, only one case. Therefore, only one case. So, how we need to write down? I will tell you. Wait, don't write anything. Don't write anything. I will tell you. Wait, don't write. Now, profit on sale of plant at Germany. This is the heading. This is the heading. Profit on sale of plant at Germany means not accrued from India and also received outside India. This is outside India. See the sixth case. The sixth case. Remember the sixth case where it has got nothing to do with India. So I'm reading the statement now. Profit on sale of plant at Germany, which means not accrued from India. 50% of the profits are received outside India. That means not received in India. Nothing it has got to do with India. Therefore, the 50% will be in one case only. So what is 40,000 ka 50%? 20,000, it will be only in single case. Single category, resident and ordinarily resident. In both other cases, it will not be taxable.
मैम
Yes.
मैम 6th वाला केस किस पे भी नहीं होता ना? नहीं
होता
सॉरी
है.
फर्स्ट पे होता है. 7th वाला है सॉरी.
हाँ ठीक है
हाँ.
चलो ये 6th केस है जो मैंने बी में लिखा हुआ है ना बी को फाई के साथ एसोसिएट करो ये मेन पॉइंट है फाई की उसको बी के साथ जोड़ के पढ़ो ठीक है रीड इट टुगेदर प्रॉफिट ऑन सेल ऑफ प्लांट एट जर्मनी प्रॉफिट 50% रिसीव्ड आउटसाइड इंडिया ठीक है
Yes, ma'am.
सो इट इज रिसीव्ड
Yes, ma'am.
आउटसाइड इंडिया okay plant
Yes,
is in
ma'am.
Germany outside India profit accrued from outside India Germany it has got nothing to do with India therefore only 20,000 in one category resident and ordinary resident but when the profit on sale of plant is at Germany but 50% is received in India so received in India is important no received in India means taxable in
All case. All
all
two. All
categories
three.
all three categories taxable in all three categories therefore first category 40,000 second category only 20 third category only 20 is there any other doubt that you have please let me know Ashwati beta is it clear
No, ma'am.
Ashwati
Yes, ma'am.
yes because I had to speak in
Yes,
Hindi
ma'am, it's
also.
clear.
Yeah good so finally we have to get the total of all these figures which are there in column number 1 column number 2 column number 2 3 4 sorry column number 2 3 4 I have to add all these figures and get the vertical total of these columns so will you guys help me 5,000 5,000 becomes
95,000.
okay 30 50 70 90 95 very good it is 95,000 what about the third column
65,000.
65,000 very good 65,000 okay next same right same is it clear
Yes, ma'am.
so final just it is a total of all the columns it shows you the total tax liability if you are a resident and not ordinary resident you will have to pay you will be taxable your income will be taxable at the rate 95,000 rupees yes, your income will be taxable at the rate 95,000 rupees. And if you are not an ordinary resident, 65,000 rupees. And if you are non-resident, 65,000 rupees. Okay. So I hope you all have completed with me. Writing part is complete. Completed. Is your writing part completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Fine. So shall we wind up? We can continue in the next lecture because I have another lecture also.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope you all have understood. Please see if you have any doubts, you can clear it out. Or otherwise, you want to practice and see if you understand everything. If you have understood everything, that's okay. Take your time, practice it once again. And in subsequent lectures, we will discuss your doubts. That is also okay with me. But please keep practicing. That is important. I will share this document. Don't worry. I will do it today. And already recordings are uploaded on the YouTube channel. You can go there and listen to the lecture recordings. And that will help you revise all the previous lectures. Okay. So
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will meet in the next lecture. Bye everybody. Take care.